Hey everyone, welcome back to another Plan With Me. It's the memory planner, Plan With Me, as you can see in the title. And I wanted to try something different today. I am using the Shop Villa Beautifful Let's Create, I think, May subscription kit papers. And I used all of these papers to make new dashboards for my mini happy planner, even the vellum, so I didn't want them to go to waste, and so I decided to just cut them out into full boxes and use them in my Plan With Me. I was actually really excited to try out this die cut thing that I got from Joanne. It's by Happy Planner and it cuts out these big, huge full boxes that you can use. You'll never have to worry about not having enough full boxes anymore because you've got all of it right here. So I only cut out about 2 full boxes per paper, except for this paper right here because I really wanted to use all of this paper up. So I just cut up the whole thing. And off camera, I actually cut up the rest of the remaining of these papers into the classic Happy Planner full box sizes with the other die cut one. It's like the blue one from the Happy Planner. So these actually work really well, and I was a little worried that they won't work well, but I was really happy that they did. And I have so many scrapbook papers, guys. I can definitely use them to make some more full boxes. Anyways, I'm just laying them out now to the areas that I want to put them down in. I coordinated it according to how my day went that day. So if you see a full box there, that means I spent a majority of my time doing something during that time of the day. So while I'm doing that, I actually want to announce something to you guys. I'm going to be starting a business. So I'm really excited about that. That's why I've been MIA lately. So sorry about the MIA part, but not so sorry about my business part. Okay, so I just closed in on a deal and I'm waiting for the manufacturer to make some samples for me, or not samples, a small batch of order for me, and I'm just gonna try it out to see how it goes, and if it works, then maybe this is something that I'll pursue doing as a career in my near future and make it a full-time thing. So I'm really excited about that. I just wanted to let you guys know that I won't be revealing too much detail until it gets really close to launch date, but just stay tuned, and thank you so much for supporting me, guys. I really feel the love. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, you need to follow me now because I interact with you guys a lot. I ask you guys a lot of your opinions, and you guys really are supportive in telling me like yay or nay, yes or no to certain things when I ask you guys, and I do a lot of polls and a lot of asking on there, so if you want to input your opinions, go follow me. And also if you want updates on what exactly my business is going to be, then yeah, go check it out, go follow me. I'm currently on my Instagram at Anna Tweelin, but I'm actually moving over to Girl Boss Anna, so I have my own Instagram now, guys. Go follow me there. It's the same name as this YouTube, by the way. So I hope to see some new faces following, and yeah, just wanted to announce that. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I truly mean that. Anyways, I wanted to use these vellums as tip-ins, so that's what you saw me doing, and I really wanted to just use things from the kit, so I stuck with just the washi tapes that came with the kit. And I just got this new date stamp thing from Joanne too. It's by, what is it called? Park Lane, something like that, that brand. I really think that brand is really sophisticated and nice. It's really pretty. And here you just see me stamping down the different dates. I just wanted to really use it, so that's why I used it here. I will definitely be using it again because it's so fun to play with. And then now I'm starting to journal. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm about 3 to 4 weeks behind in my memory planner, so yeah, you're gonna see a lot more memory plan with me soon because I'm trying to catch up, and I really don't want to fall behind because I want to look back on 2018 and be like, oh snap, this happened on March 20th, and yeah. And this quote of the week is hilarious. I went to an optometry place with my boyfriend, and it's hilarious because my best friend actually works at that optometry place, and she was the one that got us in and everything. Anyways, I had asked her to adjust my glasses for me, and she adjusted it, but it was just horrible. And she blamed it on my nose because she says my nose is flat or more like I have no nose. And then I had asked her coworker to adjust it for me there, and then I put it on and she was like, oh good lord, who adjusted these glasses for you? Oh man, good times. And then I also quoted her at the bottom of Monday too. We were browsing glasses, and apparently I think Vicky is the coworker's name. She was like, hey, I'm cheap. And then she turned around and looked at my boyfriend and she pointed at him. She's like, hey, I'm cheap, but I'm not easy. I love her. It's Tuesday and I just wrote down that I Zumba'd with Andrea for the first time. She's a Zumba instructor and she's just amazing. And then I also wrote that Shelly was leaving that Tuesday, and it seems so surreal because all of this just passed by so soon and quick. She left for Australia that day for a 2-week vacation, and I don't know, it just went by so fast. And then Wednesday, I just basically started studying for a quiz that was that day. So I didn't know how that was gonna go, but I didn't do that bad actually. Moving on to Thursday, I filmed and edited my unboxing video. I did an unboxing of the Panda Box, Planners Anonymous, and Simply Gilded for the month of April. So if you want to see that, go check it out. It's somewhere in my channel. Maybe I'll put it here too if I don't forget. And then I wanted to just incorporate some more washi, so I put the bow washi down, and then I wrote that I started watching this movie called The Week Of with Adam Sandler and Chris Rock. It was hilarious. Like, I died so hard just watching that. And then also I noted down that my good friend from church, Janelle, actually emailed me just to check up on me and ask if I was doing okay, and also just to let me know that they were all thinking about me and praying for me. And sometimes those are just the best emails or letters or, you know, stuff that you can hear from friends. It just feels so good. And then the next day I got an email from my pastor also checking up on me to make sure that I'm doing okay. I've just been going through some rough transitions lately, and it's a little personal, so I won't mention it here, but that's what's been happening. And then Saturday, I had no life. I just had to study for my, okay, this is either exam 4 or my lab final. I'm pretty sure it was exam 4. Yeah, it was exam 4. Yeah. And then Sunday, I chilled all day. Honestly, I think I studied too, but whatever. And then I just wanted to mark on the sidebar some things that were current for me at that time. And that's what I did, and then I just put it all back in my planner. And that's my memory plan with me for the week, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little talk that I gave. I usually don't talk for a full video. I think I only did it once ever, but it's not that bad. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!